orange.
Okay. Green color?
Black, like slime. No.
How about purple?
I don't like the new hairstyle.
It's the Playstone! The land of play needs you! Boris is jackhammering inside Bubble Mountain. He is going to make it explode and destroy the land of play.
Let's go! Play big, be the one you wanna be.
Time to dress up.
Wow!
Yeah!
Power Play, take us away!
Subscribe to my channel and also press this bell icon.
You have to get Boris out of Bubble Mountain before he makes it erupt with too many bubbles. It's a bird. It's a plane. It's Super Diana and her helicopter pigtails. If you throw that boring boomerang into the mountain, Boris will stick to it like glue. Even superheroes need a plan B. Let's get to it fast. Whoa! Super tickling powers! It's working, but it's not strong enough. If you keep tickling Bubble Mountain, it will get the hiccups. Bye-bye, boring Boris. The Super Princess of Play saved the day.